Alright, so today we're going to replace our mass airflow sensor. Now, this is one trick that I learned. The holes are off center, so see, you can't put it in wrong. There's only one way to put it in that's right. Obviously not the right way because all the holes don't line up. There you go. So there's only one way you can put this in, that the holes line up and everything's smooth. So let's go ahead and put the bolts back together. Voila! New mass airflow sensor.
So we were having trouble, having a problem 1 to 2 hours into our trip, but we could at least drive. But once you took this out, what happened?
So this is the new part.
Nice and shiny.
See this nice threaded part that goes into this part right here? Oh. This is what happens when you took it off. So yeah.
So it
So
broke
now-
in there.
So now I can't get this off. So my choice is try to figure out a way to get this off so that I can get that out, or replace the entire thing that runs all the way down to the exhaust manifold, which is down here, that I can fit a wrench on, but I can move it that much, and that's it. And it's also, guess what, rusted. So yeah.
So what have you done? What are you doing?
What did you say?
What are you doing?
Alright, so finally, after 4 days of trying different parts and different tools in order to get this nut replaced and done, if you want to look over here, I'll show you if I can find the other half of the tool I was just using. And my flashlight is still on. Oh, there it is. Thank God for editing software. Alright, so basically, as we stated before, the nut broke off. And so what I had to do was, it was actually frozen in place on the pipe. Was not going to come off. Torch, heat, you name it, everything short of cutting it. And then, so then what I had to do is I went to a junkyard, and I'll just put the picture up here of the vehicle that I got it off of. And I was able to get a new nut off another EGR valve. So I just cut the pipe, and then I cut this pipe, and I used this tool right here, which is called the flaring tool. Here's the other part. Put the other nut on, clamp this on, just together, flared it, and this is what it looks like now. So as you can see, the tip is now flared how it's supposed to be. so that this nut can screw down onto this. And then you can just bolt this up, put this pipe on here, and we are good to go. We'll be back in business. So yeah, Madeline was helping me out. As you can see, there's not very much space here, or I would have videotaped me actually doing it, but you couldn't actually see. I was hunched over. So I had Madeline put this strap, pull the pipe out of the way. Teamwork makes for dream work.
That's right.
We got it done. Half
Woo!
the time. Yep.
Sweet.
Well, half the time of it's supposed to take 20 minutes and it took 4 days. You know?
Yeah, that's half.
Yeah, that's about half. Yeah, I'm bad at math, but I'm sure that works out somehow. All right, so I'm just going to put all this back together and then call it a day. All right. All right. All that work is done now. Finally, we got our new nut all bolted on to our new EGR valve. All the hoses, vacuum lines, blah, blah, blah. Now the real test is, the EGR valve is not working or did not was not installed correctly. If I would have messed it up, or if I had a vacuum leak in that exhaust line, then it won't work. So let's see if she fires up. Yes. Now, I get to clean all this shit up, and all this up, and all this up, and that up. And yeah.
So, what are you doing?
I am closing the hood because
Ooh, 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 ooh,
yeah,
ooh.
bitch. Oh, sorry. I mean, I finished the repair,
Good.
and it's all was able to start it up, and everything works fine.
Yeah.
So we'll take it for a test drive this afternoon to see if it actually repaired the original problem of it giving us problems after we drive it for an hour or two.
Perfect.
So I just got to do my cleaning up, and we're out.
Sweet.
And then Madeline wants a pedicure.
Yeah,
So
I need a pedicure.
She needs a pedicure because
2 hours from here.
yeah, she scratched me last night, and I got to go get stitches.
Stop.
Right.
Smash it. I love them. That's what you gotta do.
Yeah.